Temesgen Tilahan, Deputy Commissioner of the Ethiopian Investment Commission, said Ethiopia stands ready to further deepen cooperation with China under the Belt and Road Initiative.
The Ethiopian government values its economic and political relations with China at the very highest level. Our partnership is strategic and is based on mutually beneficial manner. We will definitely continue to strengthen and further cement this particular relationship that we have with China.
Noting the need to deepen Ethiopia-China in particular and Africa-China BRI cooperation in general, Tilahan called on Africa and China to further cement ties to attain mutual and win-win outcomes.
China and Africa in general shouldn't be distracted by whatever global disruptions happening across the world. So we have to stay focused and maintain the kind of achievements that we have witnessed in the past 10 years.